When your Hair portable air conditioner displays an E2 error code, it's indicating a specific problem that needs your attention. The E2 error code specifically indicates a fault with the room temperature sensor. This small but crucial component is responsible for detecting the current temperature in your room. Here's how the temperature sensor normally works. It continuously monitors the room temperature and sends this information to the air conditioner's control system. Based on this temperature data, the AC unit can regulate its cooling output effectively, turning on and off as needed to maintain your desired temperature setting. When the temperature sensor malfunctions, the AC unit can no longer accurately determine the room temperature. This creates a problem because the system doesn't know when to cool or when to stop cooling. This sensor failure typically results in three main problems: inadequate cooling performance, complete system shutdown, or the unit entering a protective mode to prevent damage. Before attempting any troubleshooting or repairs, always prioritize safety by unplugging your air conditioning unit from the power outlet. This prevents electrical hazards and protects both you and the equipment. The first troubleshooting step is performing a simple reset. This can often resolve temporary glitches causing the E2 error. Unplug the air conditioner from the power outlet and wait at least 15 minutes. This allows the system to fully reset. If the reset doesn't work, the temperature sensor may be faulty or disconnected. You'll need to locate the sensor, which is typically near the air intake. Check your user manual for the exact sensor location in your specific model. Look for loose or disconnected wiring connections. For those comfortable with electronics, you can test the sensor using a multimeter. The sensor should read a few kiloohms at room temperature. Consult your service manual for the specific resistance range. A reading outside the normal range indicates a faulty sensor that needs replacement. Replacement sensors can be found online or through appliance parts suppliers. Make sure to get the correct part number for your specific hair model. If you're not comfortable working with electrical components, it's best to contact a qualified appliance repair technician. They can safely diagnose and fix the issue.